Alright, today we're going to do a video of our Harig Easy Surf 2 with the TrueTech CNC control. Hydraulics are on. Pull the wheel cover off so you can see the spindle running because it runs very quietly. Well, actually, I'll show you the magnet first. It does have an OS Walker magnetic chuck. Again, that's held on there pretty tight. We'll start the wheel. You can see there, it's set right now for 2,000 RPM. It is running, it's dead silent. It is variable through the control over here. We can we'll speed it up actually a little bit. So now that's up to 3,500. Again, very, very quiet. You can manually jog the machine. That's your axis 2, in and out. Nice and quiet, smooth. Just let it have down and up. That's your spindle up and down, your y-axis. You can manually run your table this way. If you want to use it as a conventional grinder, you still can. I'm going to run a basic program for you. So you can see in operation. The machine is equipped with a precise PCS 410 ID attachment. It does not have the spindle, but it has the unit. The unit does power on. You can see there. Has everything you need except the spindle, we believe. Hydraulics are nice and quiet. Machine comes with a coolant system. It's presently wired right now for 460 volts, 3-phase. All the manuals are there. Stop it.
Please home the machine to origin.
That'll home it up. Again, send the machine up to home.
Please turn the grinding wheel on.
You can hear everything rapid. This is an original paint machine. It's in beautiful condition. I think that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Serial number is EZ1055. Thanks.